This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by opening Packet Tracer and building the minimal lab so you can test connectivity immediately. You place a wireless router, a switch, a DHCP-enabled server if desired, and at least 2 client PCs. This gives you wireless and wired endpoints to verify. Once the devices are on the canvas, set the router's LAN IP to 192, 168, 1/24 and enable its DHCP scope, so clients receive addresses automatically. This first setup saves time and ensures you can focus on wireless configuration next. Now access the wireless router's graphical interface and configure the SSID and radio parameters so devices can see and join the network. Choose the appropriate 802.11 mode and channel to reduce interference. Set WPA2PSK with a strong passphrase to secure traffic. Make sure the SSID is broadcasting while you test. Once clients connect, fine-tune transmit power and DHCP lease times to balance coverage and churn. Because Packet Tracer simulates radio behavior, these choices directly affect discoverability and stability. Finish by connecting your client PCs to the new SSID and confirming they get DHCP addresses. Then ping the gateway and any internal server to validate end-to-end reachability. If a client fails to join, check that SSID and security settings match precisely on both ends and inspect the router's association list. Once done, review logs and adjust channel or power if packets drop. A reliable quick fix is to restart the router or client adapter after config changes to clear stale state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.